Actually, Kristen, you ain't gonna do nothing to this.
Come here.
Come on, get up.
Step up.
Step up.
Step up. Go ahead.
You videotaping, ain't you? He's a big bird. He ain't small.
There you go.
Tobe, stay here. Let
You're
him live.
gorgeous.
Don't worry, he'll step up on you.
Tobe. Put your nose off.
Come here.
Said, come here. There you go.
What's he doing that for?
He's throwing up in his mouth so he can feed baby birds if there was some there.
Toby, come over here.
Makes it easier for the baby birds to chew the food.
There, he's gonna step up. Go ahead, pick up. Okay.
Come on, I think he wants on my arm instead of my jacket.
No, you can try your arm. It might be too smooth for your jacket. Might be too stuck.
Oh, there it was. There was some food came out. That's very cool. What's he run? How much did he run?
They go about 1,300 babies.
13. The babies go 1,300, and that's where you saw them as babies.
Yeah.
Or are they usually
sold.
one-owner birds?
No, they can be family bird, but you got to work with them because they can get an attitude. If you don't work with them every day, they can get an attitude. Step up, Harley. Quit feeding her. Step up.
You step up.
Step up.
Come on.
No, what's up? We're asking you what's up. Step up. He's just trying to.
It's very cool.
I just seen the food.
It's very cool that he's out and about. So.
Step up. See it. Go step up.
I figured he'd go after her rings or something.
I know. Shut up.
He's liking
Can you
it.
catch the food in the camera of that phone?
I don't know if it's good. I don't know.
It's coming out like the size of like a quarter. It's out like a ball. That's so cool.
There's a whole bunch.
You come on. Come on.
He's like, oh, Kristen.
What's up? Come on.
He just wants to love you up right now.
That's so cool.
Toby?
I'll pay attention to you.
No.
Don't bite the dog. Don't bite me or the dog, please. I don't
He
want
can
to
probably
bit.
sense it. I
Don't
love him.
bite me. Hey.
Come here. Come up here. Step up. Step up.
What's he saying?
He said, come here. That's what he said. Watch out,
Toby.
dude. It's coming after you. Hey.
Come here.
All right.
like him.
I won't back down. Don't take off my tail. Maybe some black jacket or something.
Come here.
Come here.
Toby, Harley, step up. Step up, Harley. Now step up. Come on, want to go, Kristen? Step up.